Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosotso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So after last episode isengqane lengane lelidlala lapha kuMoja Love, abantu abaningi they was so mad ngemva kokuthi uSiyaqela treat uThando ngaleliya hlobo amkhulumisa nangaleliya hlobo. People felt ukuthi uSiyaqela uyadelela, and also felt ukuthi iMoja Love why lokhu busy idlala salisho liyana kube iyabona ukuthi amntwana yahlubeteka kungani bafuna ama-views, knowing very well ukuthi lo mntwana ecilateka lo kungani ngavalwa. So people were saying ukuthi ayivalwe nje naleya show, wasafuna ukuyibona. People were even saying ukuthi bona they are now stopping to watch isenqane lengane, writing ma-emails babhalela i-BCC, I think it's BCC SA yini, basho ukuthi ayivalwe leya show njena mbhetho bhetha njena ifundisa abantu ifundisa amadoda ukuthi bahlobe de bafade. Usiyaqela njena while wenda uThando sikorobho sakho. So uThando angemva ukuthi abone itonke letinto le abantu bathisho ukuthi ayivalwe isencane lengane, uhambe lapha ku-Facebook wayobhala ukuthi mabe sikhipha kwiMoja Love nizosondla. Guys, I'm not like really cool ngesizulu. Uthi Thando mase babakhipha lapha kuMoja Love nitobondla nini na ngalesikhathi bani bathi bamela uThando nje uNtshilatala kabhoqo ukuthi uma base babakhipha bona lapha kuMoja Love nine lenithi ayivalwe leya show nitomondla na. It's giving uwanti ngalesikhathi nathi ngibengizowenzani ekhaya, ngibengizowenzani nomsebenzi for mina. Yo guys, sometimes uthi yazama ukumseta umuntu but umuntu nje nguye alungasideki. That's why I wasn't entertaining this thing, because bengibona mina ukuthi ayibologele uyadifunela nje kuhlala lapha. And it wasn't even the first time uSiyaqela amthuka nje, uhlezi vele amthuka from day one. So for mina ke-entertainer indzaba esencane lengane ayiqha ngibona ngazuthi nje it's a waste of time nje, iyabhetha nje. Umuntu akente inthando yakhe umdzala Thando. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.